Assalamu alaikum, dear brothers and sisters. One day, your body will be wrapped in white, your voice will be silent, your eyes will close to this world, but not everything will die with you. Because the Prophet Muhammad said, when a person dies, all their deeds come to an end, except three. Three things that keep working for you, even when you can't. First, Sadaqah Jariyah, ongoing charity. It could be a well that quenched someone's thirst, a Qur'an you gifted that someone still reads, a masjid you helped build, even with just one brick. As long as someone benefits from it, the reward keeps coming to you, drop by drop, breath by breath, in your grave, where you can't do anything anymore. This still works in your favor. Second, beneficial knowledge. Not fame, not information, not degrees, but beneficial knowledge. If you taught someone how to pray, if you reminded them of a verse, if you passed on something that brought someone closer to Allah, then every time they act on that, you're still being rewarded. Even if you're long gone, even if they never knew your name. 3, a righteous child who prays for you. It's not just about having kids, it's about raising them right, teaching them the deen, guiding them to love Allah, helping them say, Ya Allah, forgive my parents, even after you're gone. That one dua could be the light in your grave, the ease on the day of judgment, the difference between you and Jannah. 3 deeds that never stop, even when you do. If this reminder moves something in you, don't keep it to yourself. Share the khair and subscribe for more reminders that don't just entertain, they echo into eternity.